Is your child's room long overdue for a smart makeover? It's time to say bye-bye to drab walls and misplaced shoes and hello to a space that invites play and creativity. We're bringing the inspiration to you to help you reinvent your child's room. Take a look at these the 11 most creative kids' rooms you'll ever see. Number 1. The most colorful room ever. Colorful, creative and cheerful, you'll feel good about it. Your kids will enter Colorland and lose themselves in imaginative play for hours. Number 2. Sports Center. For the kid who lives in jerseys and grass stains, a football field wall means it's game time all the time. Complement the sporty look with DIY bedding in his favorite team's colors. Number 3. Dino Den. Instead of dirt-covered fossils and lots of mossy greens, this take on the dinosaur look is bright and colorful. Tyrannosaurus-shaped drawer handles and cartoon art prints make for a lively room that's easy to alter, should your little one outgrow their love for paleontology. Number 4. Magnet Wall DIY. Use a piece of sheet metal, nails, hammer, cardboard and lots of alphabet letters to create a magnetic wall that invites playtime. Little bodies will stay busy for hours. Number 5. Tree Shelving. You've probably clicked on your fair share of how to organize your kids' stuff stories. This tree shelf is at the crossroads of cute meets functional, making it the ultimate solution for storing books. Number 6. Under the Sea. If your type might be a future Jacques Cousteau or at least a beach-eyed snorkeler, try an oceanic theme to complement the wave's stenciled wall. Nestle plastic fish figurines in decorative netting. Number 7. Circus Tent. The big top is a place for dreamers to dream, so it only makes sense that a circus tent should cover your little one's nursery. When paired with a muted gray wall and pastel bedding, the colorful ceiling makes a playful impact that breaks before it gets too clownish. Number 8. On Safari. For the animal lover who can't get enough of the Discovery Channel and the local zoo, this room provides an adventurous escape happily in the safety of your home. Layer lots of patterns for a look that mimics the wild, and don't forget the stuffed animals. Number 9. Space Age. A geometric wall and planetary mobile inspires your kiddo to shoot for the stars even before they were walking on their own 2 feet. In this nursery fit for a future astronaut, pops of sunny yellow work surprisingly well with moonlight hues. Number 10. Magic Forest. There's something about an enchanted forest that imparts a world of possibility. Whether your child is bewitched by fairies, enamored by fables, or simply loves the great outdoors, a room with towering trees and butterfly wall art makes for a magical space. Opt for grassy green bedding for a look your kid won't soon outgrow. Number 11. Camp Out. This isn't your average canopy. A dramatic drape turns a twin-sized bed into the comfiest tent ever, while a pretend fire makes for the perfect gathering place for sharing ghost stories, songs, and snacks. Finish off with plenty of snuggly flannel blankets for a cozy campfire feel. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.